stop scrolling. If you're planning to build a website, this is one of the best hosting deals available right now. If you're looking for a genuine Hostinger coupon code, here's exactly how to get the maximum discount without any confusion. Right now, Hostinger is already offering discounted pricing on all plans. But when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you unlock an additional 20% off plus 3 extra months added to your plan. There's no need to enter any code manually. The discount is applied automatically when you open the link. Here's why Hostinger is one of the most popular choices for beginners and professionals. You get fast and reliable website performance powered by optimized servers. A free domain name and free SSL certificate are included. Daily backups help keep your data safe. The built-in Hostinger website builder makes it easy to create a site without coding. The platform is simple to use even if you're just starting out. If the pricing isn't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top corner and select your country. The prices will update instantly. Hostinger is widely recommended as one of the best budget-friendly hosting providers, and every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it without any risk. Keep in mind, these offers can change or expire at any time. So if you want the full discount, including the extra 20% off and 3 additional months, click the link below or scan the QR code now to lock in the deal.